Today is the day we unlock an important step to your French learning: how to use the with le, la, and les. We'll be using classroom words like table and chaise. Perfect for school. Bienvenue sur French Made Simple, the place to learn French clearly, confidently, and step by step. Let's start with a quick recap. Last time we learned un, une, and des to say a. Can you remember the rule? Un is for masculine nouns like un cahier, a notebook. Une is for feminine nouns, une trousse, a pencil case. Des is used with plural nouns, whether they are masculine or feminine. Des stylos, some pens. Today we are leveling up to the in French. So how might the change for different words? All right, let's dive in. In French, the isn't just one word. It changes based on the noun's gender and number. For masculine nouns, use le. For example, to say the desk, we would use le. Le bureau. Say it with me. Le bureau. Great. For feminine nouns, use la. The chair translates as la chaise. Repeat after me. La chaise. Nice work. So, la for feminine, le for masculine. Now, what about plural? For all plural nouns, whether they are masculine or feminine, use les. To say the boards, we would say les tableaux. And to say the tables, we would say les tables. Try it. Les tableaux. Les chaises. Les tables. Amazing! Les works for groups, no matter the gender. One more trick. If a singular noun starts with a vowel, like ordinateur, we use L' instead. L'ordinateur. Repeat after me. L'ordinateur. Perfect. Let's practice together. I'll give you a noun like un crayon, a pencil, and you tell me how to say the pencil. Un crayon is clearly masculine. It has un in front of it. What's the masculine form for the? Yes, it's le crayon. Well done. Okay, numéro 1, un bureau. Un bureau is a masculine noun. Therefore, it's le bureau. Numéro 2, une chaise. That's a feminine noun. The for a feminine noun is la chaise. Un ordinateur. Now, un ordinateur is indeed masculine, but what's the catch? It starts with the vowel O. Therefore, we'll use L' to say the. L'ordinateur. Numéro 4. Des tableaux. Here, tableau is plural. Des means some. For plural nouns, we use les to say the. Les tableaux. You're now a French article pro. Your task: pick 3 words, bureau, chaise, table, table, or ordinateur, and use le, la, les, or L' to make a sentence. For example, le tableau est blanc. The board is white. Say it aloud. Comment below with your sentence. I'm leaving you with a fun sing-along about the definite article. Have fun, and thanks for joining. See you next time on French Made Simple. Keep practicing, and à la prochaine!
French, the can change its name. Gender and number, play the game. Masculine nouns, you must say le. Like le bureau, that's the way. L'apostrophe, French article, don't stop. L'apostrophe, sing it once and you're on top. Feminine nouns, use la. Like la chaise, oh la la. But if it's plural, don't delay. Les work for all. Hooray! L'apostrophe, French article, don't stop. L'apostrophe, sing it once and you're on top. One more trick before we go. If a vowel starts the show, like ordinateur, it's true. Use l'apostrophe, that's what you do. Le for boys, la for girls, le for groups, for all.